boss. Here be the supplies you're looking for. Yarr!
I posted this sign on my Instagram story the other day, and one of my boys, Hawaiian Fish-Keeper, fell in love with the sign, and he was like, oh my God, that sign's so sick. And I know, I was just like, thanks, bro. And then I went on my day, and then it was at the end of the day yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna make him a sign. Gotta do 3 coats. 3 coats is really important. Oh yeah. It's a little tall. We're gonna cut it down, but you get the picture, right?
That's what I.
She's like,
That's what I thought.
The layout, but I don't even know where he's gonna put it. I hope he even likes it, right? So this is gonna be through here, and then it'll say Tiki Falls right here. So I'm gonna have to take it all apart, prepare it for installation on his side, but I have to prepare it for shipping on this side. So that's what's next. I gotta take these letters and mount them onto this piece of wood before I have it set up to go onto the post. Man, I was just feeding horses and now I'm building signs. Never know what to expect at the Pond Digger Ranch. We're gonna put a coating of Henry's on the bottom of these posts and let it dry before we ship it to him. That way when he gets it on his side in Sacramento, he'll be able to dig a small hole, put him in there, put a little concrete around there so it could be mounted securely.
I never really know what to expect here at the Pond Digger Ranch. I work in the office, but some days I'm handed a paintbrush, some days I'm handed a jigsaw and cut flowers. So you never really know what to expect around here.
So one of the Hawaiian Fish-Keeper's sayings, he's always like, aloha, and he's like this. So this is gonna be part of the sign. I'm gonna have it hanging from the main sign. We're gonna paint this yellow, it's gonna be awesome.
Yarr!
I have a conundrum. I'm not sure which direction to put the sign at its place because check this out. This knot is really important to me. I think it's just really cool the way it's set up. And so I want the letters to kind of come across here. I don't know if I'm coming into, if he's gonna have the sign like with the poles here and the sign hanging that way, or this poles here, sign hanging that way. I'm not really sure. So I gotta do a little research. I'm gonna jump on his Instagram page real quick and see if I can find the best spot to do it. Okay. He's just showing up. This video's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to go to his YouTube channel. Can't find it there. So this will be cool because he has a little music that plays. You know.
You need to cut this in half.
So I know, I have a feeling it could go really good over here. If he even likes the sign, but if it goes there, we need a sign going that way. So Tiki Falls is gonna head this way to the columns will be over on that side. I'm just going with it. That's what we gotta do.
you be knowing what a pirate's favorite restaurant is? Most people think it'd be Arby's, for it's in the name, of course. But it's truly Long John Silver's. You can't beat them hush puppies.
Look how sick this knot looks right here. That's why it was really important for me to figure out which direction to go, because that thing is just really has a lot of character to it. If it would have been the other way, it would have been hidden inside of this column right here. It would have been hidden in here. All right, so I want to show you kind of how it's going to come together here. The goal is to hang this little sign is going to be hanging from like a chain right here. Maybe, yeah, somewhere about in this area. And then I'll have this pop of hibiscus. We still got to do a little work to it. We'll probably mount that up on this post somehow at an angle like this. And then we have our little bluebird that maybe I'll put on the top of the column or something like that. You'll have to wait till the end to see. This is to mount the bird, some eyelets for the hanging sign, and some rope. What are we gonna do with that? Nails are too long. I got longer nails for this one. I should have used the short nails for this one. Damn it. Ace, double Ace, here we go. One of my mentors told me, it's not whether you suck or not, because you're gonna f up, right? It's how fast you can rebound. Okay, we had a mistake. What are we gonna do? What are the solutions? How do we get there? And I think this is gonna be a viable solution. Okay, I didn't say it was gonna be easy. So I think I like the fact that the letter becomes fatter, so that mistake proved to be cool, that the letter's gonna be fatter. I know I'm limited on time. I really want to get this out fast. I want to surprise them. I think either way it's gonna be cool. Just admit if you want to do this. If you want to do this, I got these letters at Hobby Lobby. Now we're not officially sponsored by Hobby Lobby yet, but that's what we got the letters for. Travis!
Oi!
You know the liner rolls? Oh, I need a couple for shipping, like maybe 4 or 5 of them.
Aye, aye.
Let me show you what I'm gonna do with this cool little bird. It's kind of a fun little trick. I'm gonna drill a little hole in the bottom, like so. Boom. Gosh, now I'm questioning myself. I think in the middle. About here. I'm gonna go there.
Oi, boss. Here be the supplies you're looking for. Yarr!
Sign's gonna slide right in, and I'm gonna need like 4 of these. So imagine these are gonna show up at his house. He has no idea they're coming. There's just gonna be 4 or 5 of these things just sitting in his front yard waiting for me to get to them. Wait till you see what we're doing with the rope. Okay, I spent all morning and early into the afternoon. Got the sign banged out. Again, this was just like, I literally thought about this yesterday. Had a lot of fun building it. I hope he enjoys it as much as I enjoyed building it with my team.
A pirate be walking into a cowboy bar with a ship's wheel sticking out of his fly of his pants.